History tells us that ancient humans were primitive, that they lacked advanced tools, knowledge, and technology. But what if that's not true? Because scattered across our world are discoveries that shouldn't exist. Technology so advanced that even today we struggle to fully understand them. And the deeper you look, the stranger it gets. In 1901, divers exploring a shipwreck off the coast of Greece found something extraordinary. At first, it looked like a corroded lump of bronze, but inside was a complex system of gears. This was the Antikythera mechanism, over 2,000 years old. A device so advanced, many call it the world's first computer. It could track the movement of planets, predict eclipses, and model the cosmos with stunning accuracy. But here's the problem. Nothing else like it existed for another 1,000 years. So how did ancient Greeks build something so far ahead of its time? And more importantly, what else did they know?